In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Moodle for beginners. Moodle is a popular learning management system used by educational institutions worldwide to deliver courses and manage learning resources. Whether you're a student logging in for the first time or an instructor looking to navigate the platform, this tutorial will guide you through the essential steps. First, let's start by logging into Moodle. You'll need your username and password to begin this process. Once you've entered your login details and successfully signed in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is essentially your home page on Moodle. At first glance, if you don't have any enrolled courses yet, it might seem a bit empty, but fear not, as this is where your course list will populate once you start enrolling in classes. The dashboard is designed to provide an overview of all your courses and important updates, all in one convenient location. Now, let's take a closer look at the navigation menu. This is located on the left sidebar of your screen. The navigation menu is your gateway to various parts of Moodle, providing access to the dashboard, site home, calendar, and private files. Each of these sections offers different tools and resources. For example, the calendar helps you keep track of upcoming events or deadlines in your courses, while the private files section is a space where you can store personal documents you might need for your classes. When it comes to managing your personal information on Moodle, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the profile section. To access this, click on your photo or your name located at the top right corner of the Moodle interface. This will allow you to edit your personal information and change your settings. Customizing your profile can be particularly useful for establishing your identity in the online learning environment and ensuring your contact information is up to date. Next, let's discuss the messages and notifications features. In the top bar, you'll see icons that are integral to staying informed on Moodle. These icons notify you of any updates or communications from your instructors or peers. The notifications icon will alert you to new announcements, assignments, or deadlines, ensuring you don't miss out on vital information. Meanwhile, the messages icon allows for direct communication, enabling you to chat with instructors or classmates promptly and easily. By now, you should have a good understanding of how to navigate the basics of Moodle, from logging in and personalizing your profile, to staying up to date with notifications and engaging with your peers through messages. These foundational skills will empower you to make the most out of your Moodle experience, ensuring you are organized and connected as you embark on your learning journey. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!